rolling restrooms. Lumpini Park is one of the biggest parks in Thailand, probably second biggest after Chatuchak Park. Wow, I'm shocked. And there are loads of activities one can do here with or without children, and it's packed in the evening with people exercising. My brother was fascinated with these when he came to Thailand. He said, I've never seen bus toilets before. Let's go and have a leak. Wow, this is quite fancy. And it smells really nice. I'm surprised. Okay, now I have to turn it off. Sorry guys. The toilet was super clean. It even had aircon. There was soap, tissue paper. Man, these guys are doing a really good job. Thumbs up to rolling restrooms. rollingrestrooms.com